guy comes right out from the dock, and I recognize him. It's him. And he's, I don't know, sort of drunk or punchy or something. I don't know what, but it is him. And he starts mumbling something at me about that I was responsible for the way he was now, and that he was going to get even on me, and that he was going to die the next morning, and that I would be responsible for it. And, I mean, I tried to get to him, you know, and I tried to get him. He was starting to wave it down the street, and all these crazy headlights were coming at me, and I sort of backed away, and Hey, Doc. Am I on the air now?
Well, the program is, Johnny, but your microphone is switched off. Go on talking.
Yeah, well, like I said, you know, as soon as I couldn't get to him, you know, I felt I wanted to, you know, just go and lose some money on the dice tables. I don't know why, but I wanted to lose money on the dice tables. I wanted to lose, and I couldn't lose, Doc. I kept winning. I couldn't lose. 10 o'clock in the morning, Doc. I heard the ambulance come. I got up out of bed, and I looked out on the window, and I looked down, and I saw what was left of Bill Starr. He had jumped just 10 feet away from where I was sleeping.
Johnny, tell me, who telephoned you earlier this evening and threatened you?
Bill Starr.
Johnny, you just said he was dead.
But, Doc, I heard Bill Starr's voice.
But it couldn't have been, Johnny.
Well, then you tell me, who was it?
A fantasy.
Oh, don't give me that, Doc. I'm hip to all that stuff. There is no such thing.
That's right, Johnny, there isn't. Except people have them all the time. Especially when they're upset or concerned or deeply troubled. As you were about starting your vacation tomorrow. You're afraid the same thing's going to happen to you that happened to Bill Starr, aren't you?
That's right.
You know, Johnny, people also fantasize when they're burdened by guilt.
Oh, you mean I didn't hear Bill's voice, right?
No, you felt responsible for his death. Your guilt, the guilt that you've been suppressing all these weeks, spoke out in his voice.
Yeah. Yeah, I felt like guilt from inside, you know?
That's right, Johnny, but tonight it come out for you to see, just like a diseased tooth. Now perhaps the pain and the suffering will start going away.
Yeah. Yeah, Doc, I see it real clear now. Sure. I killed Bill Starr. It's all clear now. I killed him. I killed him. I'm a murderer, and I must be punished.
No, Johnny, no!
Oh, yes. It's very simple, Doc. I've got to be punished right now.
Johnny!
Yes.
Johnny, where are you going?
I have to go. It's very simple. Doc, I'm sorry. Phyllis, I'm sorry. I have to go. Sorry. I said...
Johnny!
Leave me alone. Don't come here.
Johnny, I want you. I do. I really mean it. Johnny, I need you, Johnny.
You don't need anybody, baby.
No, I do need you, Johnny. Johnny, please don't do that. You don't have to. I want you, really. I do. I love you. Johnny, I love you.
Oh, honey, you're a lousy actress.
I'm not acting, Johnny. I really do love you. I mean it. I love you.
Don't you understand, Phyllis? I gotta go this way. Because I made Bill go this way. And once and for all, I gotta even up the score.
Johnny, wait!
Don't you come near me.
You had nothing to do with Bill Starr's death. He didn't jump. He didn't commit suicide, Johnny. He fell. It was an accident.
What are you talking about?
Bill Starr was drunk. He was chasing a guest around the hotel. She screamed. Her husband heard it. He came running in. Bill was standing in front of an open window. The man struck. Bill fell out backwards.
You lying to me?
I swear to it, John.